you know, say it's really in I no. There, Diaso, that before for the Diaso, say, the kind of fantasy more than so. Oh yeah, as if you are very important. In your part, the new part, or one my bedroom, a hymns, the Sunday, Sunday, all for home at the year or so, say, or Sudama pa, mammy, may a short day, the meaning with him, or Botumana, Wabum, Amo, Pepe, into no, the Bozunara. Na today, oh yeah, very necessary. Papa, na exalting there. Say, and the pay you and Wahadia, not each other more special guest. Oh, mention Wahadi. In there, my guest to know, or Yaza, or yeah, contemporary gospel singer, or son, or a songwriter, or some so a softful. Kesepa or Ghana Hadi. Now, Upono say a share, Yana time see when we bring you, Ugonoma upon Ama on a gap. On one actual man sending the Naya, which are international, one of my work represents Ghana on that continent. And now, oh yeah, MoG, Nana Yaw Boakye, and now Ozikan, the mid department, won't you know? Say, oh, me channel had the page and no day. Woman, welcome back. Cafe Banwa had a using her not mental there. Juango energy drink, say a pay energy drink, papa. No, or a Juango energy drink on my catch there, or energy drink of vitamins, no, Minara B3, B12, Minara Ashimuma, Tarantino, say a baby is boost to energy contains that. No, share Juango energy drink. Na for boost to energy no for who baby energy level na mo cry no ma pa bibia basesa ama me pe dey begin the day no etum na aye no pepepe the mara also na all for who baby o blood pressure level no na mo ze here ni na ye 3p garlic mixture 3p garlic mixture ono ye the best garlic mixture in our town 100% extracts. One from Mukra, billion. So a garlic mixture, papa, now on your 3p garlic mixture in a here. Into no, my Canada, my mamma, my guest, a paba, Nana Yaw, a paba.
Ah, yeah.
Man of God. They made one to the papa or pap. Yeah, the Yankupon Sassi for whole life. There it's Zianoko International Quabruchira, MoG. Ah, Obia, MoG. When you know so tap, papa. Aha, my favorite, yeah, Mala. Okay. Majo. Okay. Mahabo. Erade Unkwa. Niawa, dear, to me. Mala, Majo, Mahabo. Yes, Unkwa. And you know how I don't have more to work at Kana. A Bibrium. It's a nice song. Now, a chonium.
No.
What so you receive in your man are there? How? Then?
If you have me receive, if you saw how me throw.
Okay. If my favorite is a.
No, I think I received it. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Until now we're here for.
I'm studio. So my studio now. I precisely here in the studio. Now me started the meet TBB or Maso. Tawana me friend here on the small boy career. I'm so I'm buying BB. It's a set keyboard man. I started the robot. And also a microphone that I recorded just the guide. One of them they develop kaka.
When you know or come up papa not just that all your songs. I think one of the songs are very popular Ghana had Be Lifted.
That's right.
No so you come up talk mam kakra.
Oh, be lifted above all other gods, we lay our crowns and worship you. Oh, glorious God, hey, we praise your name. We lay our crowns and worship. Oh, no, I'm Rukutu.
recruit. We are available, Papa. Me pet the words.
That's right.
Some maybe so there, and you know, 1 year or 1 man, or yeah, like what we see with him another you receive because the lyrics of your song.
That's
wow.
Right.
Now, you feel honum so now, you share about growing up. I'm not sure the secrets. Obeying there, my boy.
That's right.
Because takapa, Nancy Apomihunde, or the you are giving back.
Yeah.
Now, how is it like growing up over Tema as a boy?
It was fun, you know. Tema baby, I had a small community. So. Bibiana, you know, we were very connected to each other.
Okay.
And our friend then Obano, in terms of my music career, na Bibiana, ni foundation in Afitema. One was so one opportunity at the early stages. Was in Tema. The Tema na nyamia fadu wipe jamama. The whole Ghana, nyami signed the Korea Safari. Yeah.
Okay. Now, on months, na started to Nisa.
Yeah.
And you know, because you may be all your life.
Basically, yeah. I mean, all my life, you know, at the early stages, because I'm a did not attack or chapel, but I could meet study. And you know, all your penal or the alcohol, Timothy, now I made to the choir for all syndrome, praise and worship for your rehearsal. And Tim got now after one of my got on the tabia, so that honor man, them desire. Okay. Or developing I started the year with you.
This say born your man, Nanka Abbas Nepede.
Come a bobo.
Oh, when I say all the pile.
Cabana Moko Divide. I mean, Kawan won't yammer fee.
Come by now.
Come on, come match about 5 goals.
I can't be a was a bit I can see you. I got a phone and you bring some.
Yeah, easy.
Married to for meeting in actually, but I'm sorry how.
But it's a great lesson to all of us, you know, and it's high time there in Pifuna also maybe they're not paying attention to the football department of Ghana. No, they can pay careful attention because Kofu Wakuma. Now we be ashim. 1 hour about bet na dinya 1 bet washo. So if they critical look at the other boy, because this is not the black star we know. Wow. It's not the black star we knew.
Now, kind of football easy or football experience, kakwa.
Oh, I know a PS5
there. Remember, I comment on that game and say, hey,
Michelle game. Ode was having a very good day, so I felt say, the coach no Jan Wom, on a pencil. You know, on my name, you know, and I would prefer say the next match Monaka, one man they start a whole new game, you know. Because the guy was already on the field, he knew the people that he was playing with, he understood their game, their play and everything. He knew how to block everybody that was he was blocking. So actually I changed now here, no normal go by, you know, and unfortunately we are coming back home.
Wow.
It's very painful.
I can't believe it. Yeah. I have to be very sincere.
Within a space of 10 minutes, everything turned around. Yeah.
Like on your post, like, hey, Black Stars. Broken heads, hey.
Oh, yes, serious broken heads. Oh, yes, serious. But it's a great lesson for us. Yeah, we'll come back to the drawing board. We have World Cup qualification coming up. You know, so GFF no be when Juma ye na say one must can do when him. That's what be here because the hearts of people are being hurt and they are grieving. You know, so one must can do when him. That's what better say when here because I dey. Kofu bebu jana de obeye juma ejuabo no obeye juma we don't want money from Black Star, we don't want anything, all we want is that score the goals and make us happy.
Win the matches.
That's all we need.
Win the head care.
That's all we need. But as well,
a problem. Now, even poor can they won't dissolve the team, why you in charge?
Oh no, I don't think so. Okay. They just have to make some few changes. Take the bad nuts out. We'll be about 1 hour, but you know, well, it's alleged that some of the players in Woba, they pay money to join. You know, if that is true, those things they have to desist from it and take people that can really do the job. No one for you, member Ghana, because where we are going is not good.
Okay, Martin American Yasi. Now, why did this year so? No, sorry, last year. An encounter with Grammys, Hannah?
Yeah, my Grammy, what do you call it?
No membership, Hannah.
So I got accepted into the Grammy as a Grammy Academy member.
No, why then?
So basically, Grammy Academy member, when you are part of the Academy, you can submit your songs to be considered. Okay. And then when the song is considered and you are nominated, you can, you know, either win or be a nominated Grammy artist, you know. Okay. So basically, you need a Grammy there. It's on the international level. So once you get a Grammy acceptance or a Grammy nomination, I mean, our artist, you know, it adds to your brand and all that. So on which one you're trying to put Ghana on the map and let people see what Ghana also has through your music, you know.
No. Most market, congratulations, Anna.
Oh yes, why not? It's not. Yeah,
and I think that one of the things I share for young musicians who come had at least we Grammy sleeping as it closer.
Oh, so far so good. Last year, we had consideration. Consideration is when I submit those songs, on my check BBR, then they put you on the list for people to vote to be nominated. Okay. And that's the level we got to. We got 3 considerations. Okay. You know, best new artist, best album of the year, and the third one, you know. So those are the ones we got. But unfortunately, you know, but another year is coming. Yeah. We'll put in the works that we're going to do.
Go you. Yeah. You be making sure they be.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, Hannah, one first. They should leave now.
Sharp.
Now, new wine. As this year, no year 10th edition.
Anniversary.
10, as in 10 years.
10 years.
I think
10 years. You know. So new one only 10 years, but yesterday worship programs, you know, it's more of a 16 years now. Okay. But when we started the new wine brand, say we've changed the program we're doing into new wine, or 10 years by the grace of God. And because over the years, you know, every year after year, God has been faithful, you know, providing for us financially and BBR na to me a program. So this year, Adom, new wine is 10 years. We'll be launching it very, 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 very soon. And you get the details. One hour watching Adom TV in CC and we'll bring the details. Yeah, Accra edition and Kumasi edition by the grace of God. And it's going to be a big statement in the Christendom and for the gospel. So we should get ready.
Wow. See, when dates?
So the dates respectively is going to be Accra will be 17th March. Okay. And Kumasi will be 24th March. But all the necessary details in press launch. Okay. So when we do the press launch, we'll put every information out so that all those who are watching us, when you know information, more Kumasi, more Accra, information.
The new wine press launch, they will pay us information.
Most definitely.
One hour and so when your information be now, Yami show be bring. Thank you. And the payment on Safro. It's remember fasting. It's my whole
It is well. Nana
That's my papa today. It's my day. Now, Mamma care there on Soma Resan Abba season 6 no Olupuri papa into no Sunday ya or that you be share West Hills Mall or Horne Bababon Vale or Famana this year you know baby see a can one Soma season 6 no family wonderful me tip in the voice apa me my family in the form cry into no young wasn't there you make a date you will pay more honor upon performances na zo called or honor Rachel Van Dyke or Baba perform a brand here abrante bo honom season 3 winner no obo Renel Aboagye bo honom oba perform Obapa Christy wo ho oba perform Obapa kwa no excitement nti no yan twakwane keche my brothers no won so we pray mo honom nti no all roads leads to West Hills Mall Sunday na yan kohwe mo fama yes won be see akan won summer season 6 do madase nyame isho bebre de eje egwa na enye ne yi nyame adoma ye basan ye hia wo be Kofi Ampedu yemi producer director ama Belonzi producer damara na obedo so obomo ha John no driving in ozie ne ba ahade special thanks to cafe bar no a nyame isho bebre de bia wo be ho na abo to ho ezema hen nyame adoma atena o mekene basan ye hia sisi areze mano ato